Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you along a really quick deep cleaning of my house. And I feel like I have not done this in such a long time. So I thought it would be like a quick speed cleaning and just going to be able to chat with you guys a little bit because I haven't done this in such a long time. I haven't actually tackled on my house completely head to toe in one day. And today I had the perfect time to do it. And so that is what I'm doing. So here we are just tackling the master bathroom. It has been so long since I've given a good deep cleaning because quite frankly, it's so hard to do with the kids, but I am actually getting through this in a very quick way and I've been very good about maintaining it. So I am just trying to get to the showers, which is the hardest part for me. Like honestly, the showers are absolutely difficult. I like to know what is the hardest part for you guys when you're cleaning your house. Like I said, the floors, the bathrooms, the kitchens. And then I'm actually going to be rearranging our master bedroom because if you guys are from Instagram, you know I have been going back and forth with a little toddler bed because my toddler, I'm trying to transition him into his own bed and he naps in there already, but he doesn't sleep there at night. So I would like my bed back. And I know you guys know how that feels. So anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and just dust everything around the bedroom and making sure that everything's nightly clean. I am really bad at deciding where things should go. And so here you'll see me actually move things back and forth several times. But we did have a few incidents in our bed. One of our kids was really sick and he accidentally vomited all over our sheets. So I am currently washing things as I am cleaning things. And you're probably going to hear my kids in the background because I am solo parenting and it has been wild. This was only supposed to be for a couple days, which it's only the second day, guys, and I am failing at this. But anyways, I am actually getting through the first half of the top floor because I didn't do all the bedrooms because my kids are playing in there and that's totally fine. And here you're going to see me struggling with a Peloton, which a few of you guys have been asking me how the Peloton has been working, and quite frankly it has been so fun. I actually decided to rent it, and if you didn't know, you can rent the Peloton. I believe it's still $89 a month. And so the way I saw it, it's like I don't have to pay for a gym membership. I can just do it at home in the comfort of my house and I have to worry about like daycare or, trying to figure out where my kids are going to be. And so for me, that worked out. And it has been really good. It has really good classes. It comes with a membership and you get access to all the classes, which is really nice. So that's very neat. And I'm not sponsored at all by Peloton. This was just me sharing it because it is really fun. And so now I've made it down to my kitchen and I have a pretty good handle at like my living room, dining room, kitchen. As you can see here, it's all just one big rectangular room, which has its pros and cons, quite frankly. I mean, for me, like I absolutely love how when we get to host, we get to see everybody in one big room, but also there's not like a defined dining room. So that kind of bumps me out a little bit sometimes. Anyways, I then move on to the dishes, which I have not been doing the dishwashing loading because my husband is such a sweetheart and he's been loading it at night and offloading it in the mornings regardless of his work schedule, so that's been nice. But since he is out of town, I am going to go ahead and take care of it, and honestly, it's no big deal because I'm used to doing it, but I do appreciate him doing all that stuff. And then also, I don't know about you guys, but I've been slowly decorating little corners of my house. I'm not big in like big holiday decorations because quite frankly, like it's overwhelmed me a lot to have to take everything out and then have to put everything away. And so you'll notice little bits in my house that are slowly but surely transitioning into holiday mode. I did the same thing for fall and the same thing for Halloween. I do decorate the outside of our house, and so I think I'm just going to focus on that instead because we do have like a really cool mini parade in our neighborhood where like everybody decorates so nicely, and when you go on walks, you see all the lights. So I think I'll focus on that this year. Let me know down in the comments what is your favorite holiday to decorate for, and if you enjoy decorating the inside of your house or you prefer decorating the outside. Anyways, guys, this is a very short clean with me, but I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys soon.